गर्मी का है मौसम आया, सबको इसने बहुत सताया। आसमान से आग है बरसी, सूरज ने फैलाई माया। कूलर पंखे एसी चलते, दिन भी ना अब जल्दी ढलते। पल भर में चक्कर आ जाते, थोड़ी दूर जो पैदल चलते। जून का है जो चढ़े पसीना, जून का है जो चढ़े महीना। टप 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 बहे पसीना, खाने का कुछ दिल ना करता। मुश्किल अब तो हुआ है जीना। सूखा है जल नदियों में, पंछी है प्यासा भटक रहा। कहीं छाव ना मिलती है उसको, देखो खंबे पर लटक रहा। कुल्फी वाला जब आता है, हर बच्चा शोर मचाता है। खाते हैं सब बूढ़े बच्चे, दिल को ठंडक पहुंचाता है। सूनी गलियां हो जाती हैं जब सूर्य शिखर पर होता है। रात को जब बत्ती गुल हो तो कौन यहाँ पर सोता है। ना जाने ये कहां से आया, हमने तो इसको ना बुलाया। परेशान इससे सब हैं, ये किसी के भी मन को ना भाया। गर्मी का मौसम है आया, सबको इसने बहुत सताया। आसमान से आग है बरसे, सूरज ने फैलाई माया। Greetings of the day to all. Dear students, we all are going through what I just mentioned in the poem. Along with the vacation has come the summer season and has started creating little trouble for all of us. Rise in temperature, power cuts, mosquito bite, long and hot days, and monotonous routine of vacation. And on top of that, stressful situation because of pandemic and lockdown. But my dear students, do not worry. This shall too pass. We just need to have positive attitude. You know, dear kids, to have positive attitude, we must have healthy mind, and healthy mind comes from healthy and fit body. So here I am for your rescue. In this session, I am going to share with you some tips to make this hot summer into a healthy and happy one. And if you will be healthy and happy, you will definitely be stress free. So let's begin. Share with you some healthy tips for this summer season. So here are some healthy tips. First of all, let's start with healthy diet. Healthy diet is a key to healthy body. In summers, we need to keep ourselves cool not only from outside but inside also. During summers, our body tries to cool it down through natural process of sweating, which in turn can cause dehydration. This makes it essential for us to drink more water. So children, make sure to have at least 8 to 10 glasses of water a day. If you can't have it, then you can have it in various forms, like having these in your in different form, like you can have milkshake, lassi, fruit juices, lemon water, coconut water. So do not forget to include all these delicious drink to your diet. Then comes the turn of our best friends. Who are they? Yes, the tasty yummy fruits. Summer fruits like cherries, mango, watermelon, grapes, banana, all these provide instant boost of energy and help reduce tiredness and fatigue. So make sure to have these seasonal fruits to keep yourself hydrated. Then do not forget about the vegetables. Vegetables are rich in vitamin and minerals. They detoxify your body and keep your skin healthy and beautiful. So children, make sure to have all these healthy vegetables like ridge gourd, round gourd, pumpkin, cabbage, mint chutney. You can also have lots of yogurt, sprouts which are rich in vitamins and minerals, pulses. So variety of proteins and vegetables should be included in your diet to stay healthy and fit. Along with having fruits and vegetables, children make sure to avoid eating these fried items as they are not easy to digest, which leaves you bloated and fat. Make your skin oily, leading to skin problems, disturb digestion, and leading to stomachache. So you have to say big no to fried items, non-veg items, pakoras, puris, smileys, eggs. I know all these are your favorite, but in summer season, say big no to them. All right, students. So now, before I move ahead, let me share a short story with you. I hope you will enjoy it. The life wasting potion. Many years ago, everyone was strong and healthy. They ate a very varied diet and especially loved fruits, vegetables, and fish. Everyone took daily exercise and they enjoyed themselves playing and leaping about. The earth was the healthiest place you could imagine, and it was clear that both adults and children were full of joy and good moods. All that made the dark witches furious. They only ever wanted to do harm and make problems for people. The worst of all of these witches was Sarface. She was evil and could be relied on to come up with the nastiest ideas. She suggested that all the witches combine their energies to invent a potion which would take away people's desire to live happily. So, one night, all the witches gathered down in the swampy forest and worked together on that evil spell. The spell was so powerful and would need so much of energy to cast that one of the witches got one of the words wrong. There was a huge explosion. So big was the explosion that it completely destroyed the forest. It turned all those evil witches into tiny little creatures like germs and left them trapped in a green liquid inside a small glass bottle, which lay lost in the swamp. There they were trapped for centuries until one day a little boy found the bottle. Thinking it contained some kind of soft drinks, he drank the lot. The evil microscopic witches took advantage of this situation and, even though they were tiny and could not hurt anyone, they soon learned to change the little boy's likes and dislikes in order to get him to do what they wanted. In a few days, a funny feeling in his mouth and tongue meant the boy no longer wanted to eat vegetables, fruits, or fish. All he wanted to do was eat ice creams, pizza, burgers, and candy. Then a nibbling feeling all over his body meant he no longer enjoyed playing and running about with his friends. All that stuff tired him out. He now just wanted to stay in the house, sitting or lying about. So his life got more and more boring. He started feeling ill, and before long he had no desire to do anything. The evil potion had worked. And the worst thing of all was that the witches learned to jump from one person to another like a virus. They managed to turn the influence of the potion into the most contagious of disease, the disease of wasting your life. It was a long uh, it was a long while before, with the help of his microscope, Dr. Fiton Healthy discovered that the little witches were causing all these diseases. There was no vaccine or cough mixture to get rid of them. But the good doctor discovered the witches could not stand joy and good humor. It turned out that the best cure was to make a strong effort to live a healthy and joyful and happy life. When a person became healthy, the little witches would leave that body as soon as they could, riding off on a sneeze. From then on, the best remedy was not pills or injections, but just a little bit of effort to eat some fruits, vegetables, and fish, and to do some exercise. And whoever came to see Dr. Fit and Healthy and took his advice ended up totally being cured of waste of life disease. So children, moral of the story is although you have to make some efforts to live a healthy and happy life, it pays to eat a little of everything and do some exercise. Healthy routine and good eating habits help you lead happy and joyful life. With this moral, let us continue our session and find out some more ways to stay fit, healthy and happy. Now children, next is the personal hygiene. Not only we need to have healthy diet but also maintain personal hygiene. So how to do that? So children, make sure to take bath every day. Use antiseptic talcum powder like Nycil instead of perfumed ones. Change clothes and undergarments every day to avoid any kind of infection due to dust and fungus. Wear cotton clothes to avoid sweating. Do not wear synthetic clothes made up of polyester or nylon. Keep handkerchief and tissue paper handy to wipe your face and to clean your hands. Wash face and eyes regularly to stay fresh and avoid itchiness. Make sure not to touch any part of your body with dirty hands. Do not wear tight clothes to avoid itchiness and fungal growth. Wash hair regularly to avoid ticks and lice. Children, though I know we all are at home due to pandemic and lockdown and taking all the precautions and not moving out of the house. But in case you have to move out, there are some precautions that you must take, especially during the summers. Whenever moving out, use sunglasses, umbrella, cap while going out in the sun. This will save you from radiations and heat. And do not forget to apply sunscreen before moving out. Do not go out empty stomach. Make sure to eat something. If you are moving in the afternoon, make sure that you are having lunch, breakfast, and especially if you are moving out in the afternoon. Drink a glass of water before leaving. This will keep you hydrated and prevent dizziness or any kind of heat stroke. Now children, there are some diseases that are very common in summer season and it's very important to protect ourselves from these diseases like diarrhea, acidity, typhoid, dizziness, jaundice, dehydration and headache. These are some diseases which are very common in summers. You know children, because of the lockdown, for these small ailments, it's not possible to go to doctors or visit doctor or clinic uh, very often. So here I am sharing some home remedies which will help you to cure these problems. For example, here in case you have dehydration because of diarrhea, loose motion, you are feeling dizziness, indigestion is there, you can easily make this ORS solution at home. For this, you need to take a glass of water, a spoon of sugar, and a pinch of salt. Just mix them together and your ORS solution is ready. To make it even tastier, you can squeeze one lemon into it to turn it into tasty lemonade. Drink it at the interval of half an hour or 1 hour as required until you feel better. Another very common problem in summer is indigestion, acidity, and gas. For this, you can quickly go to your mama's kitchen and take the help of spices available in her kitchen. Like, you can take carom seeds, which are commonly known as ajwain. You can take cumin seed, jeera, asafoetida, that means hing. Take these in little amount, mix them together, grind them, roast them and then grind them, and take half spoon of it along with the water. This will give you quick instant relief from any kind of acidity or gas. Now children, we have been talking about ourselves, but we have to look around ourselves and look at the tiny little creatures like birds, stray dogs and animals and other people around us. And we have to be a little more generous this summer. How we can? Like, keep water for birds in small containers. As it is not raining heavily and there is a shortage of water everywhere, so these birds and animals may feel thirsty. So if you will keep small containers outside your house filled with water, that will be very generous of you, and this will provide relief to these animals also. Offer cold water to helpers and attendants who visit your house, like gatekeeper, cylinder delivery man, rickshaw puller. But yes, of course, you have to keep in mind all the precautions that we are taking due to this pandemic or corona situation. Then, do not forget to save water this summer. Do not drain leftover water. Instead, use it for watering plants or washing or cleaning, and avoid any kind of wastage of water. So I hope children, you must have enjoyed this session and learned the tips. I'm 100% sure that if you're going to follow these tips, you are going to have happy summers and you are going to enjoy your summers to the fullest. So thank you and have cheerful, cool and icy holidays. I'm sharing with you a beautiful song. I hope you will enjoy it. Thank you so much. Enjoy your vacation.